Hello, welcome to the TSG YouTube channel. This is a video about how to create guest wireless accounts when you have vendors or potential customers or other outside entities visiting Ancor. First, we're going to open a browser and we're going to go to https WDS or Woods, which is short for Woods or Woodsley, and it's WLC, which is short for Wireless LAN Controller 01.ancorinfo.local. I will send out a link so you don't have to remember all of that, but there are links to this both on our SharePoint page and in our weekly email notifications, which will bring you to this page here. Not every user has the ability to do this. This capability is limited to managers, supervisors, and or those that are designated by management. Click the login button. At this point, you're going to put in your network login ID. You do not need to put the domain name or the @ancorinfo.com or @utilitech.net, just whatever your username is. Mine happens to be as seen, and your password. And that's going to bring you to a list of guest user accounts. As you can see, there's already one created that's being used. I'm going to go ahead and click New to create a new account. I'm going to give a descriptive name, preferably if it's a vendor or a customer, please put the company name. And you can have one account for multiple visitors. For example, if we have an auditor company who's here and they have 3 or 4 guys on site, you can use one account for all 4 or 5 of them, that's fine. I'm just going to create a generic one. We're going to create a password. It does not have to be overly complex. In fact, it can be a fairly simple password. Just please don't leave it blank. And then set how long you want this account to be around. At the end of whatever times you specify, the account will automatically be deleted. So I'm going to just pretend this vendor is going to be here for a couple days or a few days, and then we're going to choose what wireless SSID they're allowed to connect to. And the only one you want to choose here is the Ancor Guest Wireless. If you can put in a description, that it's very helpful for anybody else who might be in there. If there's already an account created or whatnot for a vendor, and someone else, you might have 2 people going in to try and create it. So the name of the account and the description is very helpful. And click Apply. And really that's all there is to it. Now when the guests go to connect, they're going to connect to the Ancor Guest Wireless SSID with their mobile device, with their laptop or a mobile device. And it's going to show up as an unsecured network. Once they connect and they open a browser, they're going to get redirected to a login page, which is going to ask them for the username and password that you just created. I know that's a little bit confusing. It's not the same as putting in a password for a secured SSID. It's a little different. But and again, this does not put them on Ancor's network. That's the primary reason that we use this, is it puts them on an external network that goes straight to the internet, that has no access to Ancor's internal resources. If you have any questions, feel free to open a ticket through the Citrix Go to Assist service desk, and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks.